This is the secret sauce on getting whatever you want. I'm Joms and I help men conquer the fear of rejection by mastering confidence. And sa video na to, pag-uusapan natin is why discipline is the key to achieving your goals and desires. So, ano ba yung mga signs na wala kang disiplina? Something that you can say na kapag meron ako nitong tatlong signs na to, wala akong, or I need to work on my discipline. So, number one, you always procrastinate. Lagi ka na lang shit, mamaya na nga lang to. Mga ganon. Number two is inconsistency. Kumbaga, ikaw ay isang intro boy. Hindi mo natatapos yung isang bagay na sinabi mong sisimulan mo na. So, kulang ka sa consistency. Number three is you give up easily. So, yun, kita nyo ba yung mga signs na yun? Yun yung mga signs ng mga intro boy. So, usually, procrastinate, inconsistent, and also madalas mag-give up agad-agad. So, ano ba yung mga negative impacts na to kapag nagtuloy-tuloy yung tatlong yon? Number one is you'll struggle to achieve your goals. Again, walang nakaka-achieve ng success nang hindi nila pinaghihirapan. Malamang, yung mga desires nyo, yung mga goals nyo, depende kahit saan pa. Kahit anong level pa ng class kayo pinanganak, kung middle class, high class, low class. Lagi kayong may dreams and goals. Kasi di ba, iba-iba naman kayo ng dreams and goals, depende sa class. Iba yung goals ng mayaman, iba yung goals ng mahirap. Usually ganon. Never mo ma-achieve yan if magpapatuloy yung tatlong signs na yun. Number two is you may feel unfulfilled and frustrated. Ibig sabihin, hindi ka proud sa sarili mo. And dahil hindi ka proud sa sarili mo, may inis ka na sa sarili mo, bakit ba ako ganito, bakit ba ako ganyan. And a cycle of negative mindset na, cycle of negative thinking na yung mararamdaman mo sa utak mo. Which may result to anxiety, depression, mga ganon. Number three is you'll miss opportunities for growth. So, dahil nga inconsistent ka, madalas ka nag-give up agad, gusto mo lagi ka lang nasa comfort zone mo, then opportunities will repel. You will never see a lot of opportunities if palagi ka na lang ganun. So, bakit ba mahalaga na magkaroon tayo ng disiplina? Because discipline can transform your life and success. Discipline, this is something to do with doing the things that you need to do kahit na ayaw mo. Bali, ito na yung sasalo sa'yo kapag wala ng motivation. Kasi, at first, motivated ka pa eh. For example, sa working out. Yung day 1 mo hanggang day 14 or day 10 mo, sobrang taas pa ng motivation mo niyan. Pero once na tumagal ka na tumagal, day 14 and onwards, bababa yan. Now, ano ba yung key in order for you para magtuloy-tuloy, maging consistent? And that is discipline. Discipline is something that you need to have in order for you to be successful. So, if you have discipline, number one, you'll gain control over your life. So, you have a sense of control na, everything I do is because of me. So, every wins mo, magiging proud ka sa sarili mo because alam mong pinaghirapan mo yon. Number two is you achieve your goals more consistently because meron kang drive, meron kang discipline to pursue your passion, pursue the first step and the other succeeding steps para ma-achieve mo yung goal mo. For sure, every day, magiging malapit or magiging closer ka dun sa gusto mong goal. And number three, you'll inspire others with your discipline. Not only na ikaw lang yung makakaramdam ng benefits, but also yung mga nasa paligid mo, mga friends mo. Tingnan mo, kapag nag-gym ka, usually may magtatanong na sa'yo niyan na, uy, paano ba nagawa yan? Gusto ko rin. So, nagiging good influence ka pa. So, nagkakaroon ka pa ng value sa society. Hindi ka lang palamunin ng gobyerno. Yun yung 3 benefits. So, I will give you a tip on how you can practice discipline is have habits, have routines. Magkaroon kayo ng morning routine. So, sa morning routine, i-track nyo everyday, magkaroon kayo ng habit tracker in order for you to track your habits. Because discipline is all about building routines. So, magkaroon kayo ng morning routine. Pagkagising mo is mag-toothbrush ka, maligo, skincare, meditate, read book, and then work out. So, pwede mong gawin yun. You can tweak. Kasi sa inyo naman, kayo naman makapagsabi ko ano yung kailangan nyo eh. So, I want you to set up your day, your morning pa lang to success. So, I want you to have routines in order for you to practice discipline. So, gagawin mo yung routines na yon kahit gaano ba kapangit o kaganda yung gising mo. In that way, you can practice discipline. So, yun lang. Let's go.